Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to put the black overlay on CapCut and CapCut video or photo. So here I have a 3 seconds video which is contain an image or picture. So I'm going to click a black overlay into it. So what you need to do is just click on overlay and click add overlay, and here click on stock videos. Okay, so just click on the black screen right here, black overlay, and click on add. Okay, so here is the overlay. So what you need to do is I'm going to rotate it, and I'm going to do this, and you can just click on splice and choose the splice that you want, how you want the overlay to look like. You can also adjust the opacity like this and click on check icon. Okay, so that's basically it. That is how you can put a black overlay into your video on CapCut. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up icon and subscribe, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.